Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today's recipe is simple as it gets when it comes to making bread. We're going to take three ingredients and turn them into a piece of bread that is fluffy, extremely tender, buttery, soft, and just melt in your mouth. Try this simple recipe for your next luncheon or any occasion. Here are the ingredients and tools you will need. Yes, the recipe is correct. Just three ingredients. We have our sour cream, butter, and self-rising flour. Not all purpose, you want to use self-rising flour. I have already measured 1 cup of self-rising flour. Now I'm going to place my butter in a bowl and melt it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. While the butter is melting, measure yourself a ½ cup of sour cream. Our butter has melted, and this is fine. It does not have to be a complete liquid. Add the sour cream to the butter, and you want to mix these two ingredients well. That looks good. Add the 1 cup of flour and combine until you get a sticky dough. Do not overmix. This is perfect. Now use your free utensils. Make sure they're clean and remove the excess dough. Let's move on to the bakeware. I have a mini muffin pan and a standard muffin pan. Choose the one that fits your occasion. Or you can use a sheet of parchment paper on a cookie sheet. Just know you have options. I'm using the mini pan today along with a medium-sized scoop. Now there is no need to grease your pan. The butter and the sour cream have it all taken care of. Before I forget, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You can make your muffins as large or as small as you like.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Pray delicious cargo. Be careful with my heart, oh.
Yes, I went way back with this one. It's an old tried and true recipe that's going to be a hit every time. Before we get these all plated up, let me just show you this delicious cloud of buttery goodness. Check out that tender crumb. Yes, this is what 3 ingredients get you. Listen, they literally melt in your mouth. Do yourself a favor and double the recipe. Hey, even triple it, because these won't last long. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video where I shared this awesome recipe for sour cream muffins or biscuits. Either way, you have a soft, buttery, and oh so tender piece of bread. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And I'll see you on the next one.